Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam when it's taking way too long to patch your games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the word Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the main configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of how Steam operates. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles all your game updates and installations, which is exactly what we need to adjust to speed up those slow patches. Now locate the Download Region option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and pick a nearby server from the list. Choosing a server that's geographically closer to you can significantly improve your download speeds and reduce patching times since the data has less distance to travel. After selecting your new server, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Go ahead and click it. Steam will close and reopen automatically to apply your new download region setting. Give it a moment to restart and log back in if needed. Once Steam is back up, return to Settings and then Downloads again. This time, scroll down until you find the Clear Download Cache option. Right beside it, click the Clear Cache button. This removes temporary files that might be slowing down your downloads or causing patching issues. A confirmation window will pop up, so click Confirm to proceed. Steam will restart once more after clearing the cache, which is completely normal. Now, let's verify your game files to ensure there aren't any corrupted files causing the slow patching. In the upper left corner, click on Library to view all your installed games. In the left panel, find the game that's been taking too long to patch, right-click on it, and select Properties from the menu. This opens a detailed settings window specifically for that game. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. You'll see several options here related to the game's local data. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks all your game files against Steam servers to make sure everything is intact and replaces any corrupted or missing files automatically. Depending on the size of your game, this might take a few minutes, so be patient while it completes. If you followed all these steps and you're still experiencing slow patching, there's one more thing we can try. Look at the bottom right of your screen where the system tray is located and click on Show Hidden Icons. This reveals any background applications running on your computer. Find the Steam icon, right-click on it, and select Exit Steam. This completely closes Steam, including any background processes that might be interfering with downloads. Now, reopen Steam again and log in with your credentials. Wait for a few seconds to let everything load properly. Then try to update your Steam games and see if the patching speed has improved. By changing your download region, clearing the cache, verifying game files, and fully restarting Steam, you've addressed the most common causes of slow game patching. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.